Hey guys, today we're going to work with parallel and perpendicular lines. We're going to begin by writing the equation of a parallel line. What is the equation of a line that passes through 3, 4 and is parallel to the graph of y equals 2x plus 1? So because parallel lines will have the same slope, we can substitute the 2 from the slope in the slope-intercept form along with the coordinate pair from x and y. So here's where we're going to be taking the 3 from a coordinate pair and plug it in for the x. We're going to plug in the y for the 4, and we're going to steal the 2 from the previous line's slope and place it in for our slope. Because they're parallel, they must be the same. Now we're going to solve for b. We're going to start by multiplying 2 times 3, which is 6. And then we're going to do additive inverse and subtract 6 by both sides, which leaves us with b is equal to -2. Now that we have our new y-intercept of -2 and we have our previous slope, which is 2, we can now write our new equation that is parallel but going through the new coordinate. This will be y equals the old slope of 2x minus 2, which was our new y-intercept. Now let's look at perpendicular lines. This one's going to get a little more complicated. Here we need to find the opposite reciprocal of the original slope. Here the original slope was 1/3, so we're going to find the opposite reciprocal because we want to find the new line that is perpendicular. Perpendicular will require the opposite reciprocal. To do the opposite reciprocal, we are going to find the opposite of 1/3, which is, instead of positive, it's going to become negative. We're also going to flip or do the reciprocal of 1/3, which becomes 3/1. So because we're doing both of these together, it will become -3/1, or -3. Now we have our new slope. We're going to substitute our new slope into the slope-intercept form along with our coordinate pair of x and y, which is -1 and 5. So in place of y, we're going to have 5. In place of m, we're going to have our new slope of -3/1. And in place of x, we're going to have our -1 from the coordinate pair. We then bring down our positive b from the previous equation, and that's what we're going to solve for. We're going to begin by multiplying our -3/1 times -1, which will equal +3. We will do the additive inverse and subtract 3 from both sides, and we're left with b equals +1. Now we have our new slope of -3/1 and our new y-intercept of +1. We can now write this in our slope-intercept form, and we get y equals -3x plus 1. This becomes our final solution. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Please subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.